Okay, so we're going to go over kind of the expectations for our AMI day. So you need to go to your Chapter 8 folder, and in your Chapter 8 folder, you will see our Statistical Measures project. When you open that up, it'll take you to Part 1, and we've already done some of this. So last class, we asked 10 Wildcats, and then you were supposed to ask 10 Panthers your question. And so these survey questions have to do with your question that you asked those Panthers and Wildcats. So you are going to answer all 6 of these questions. So you can see them if you scroll. When it says 2 to 3 sentences or 2 to 5 sentences, make sure that you are actually using those full sentences. So if it tells you to write in sentences, make sure that you do so. So for number 1, you are just going to put your survey question here. Number 2 is, why did you pick that topic? So why did it interest you? What did you want to know about it? Number 3 asks who the population of your survey question is. We asked Wildcats and Panthers, so everybody's answer should be the same here, which would be Lakeview, 7th grade. But I'm not looking for a number. Like I said, you're looking for what group of a population are you looking at. For number 4, who's our sample? So those are the people that you asked. For number 5, what trends did you expect? So did you expect the Panthers and Wildcats to be similar, different? Just explain your thinking there. And then for number 6, how do you plan on avoiding bias when conducting this survey? And so many of you already conducted the survey, so I just want you to tell me, how did you avoid bias? So then you'll see at the bottom of your screen, maybe, here we go, let me move my screen down. At the bottom of your screen, there's these different parts. And so this is how we get from Part 1 to Part 2. Today you're only doing Parts 1 and 2. So once you click here on that bottom tab that says Part 2, you will put your data here. So you will list all of your numbers for the Wildcats and all of your numbers for the Panthers. Once you've done that, you will answer the following questions. So we want to know your numbers from least to greatest, your data, that's your data set, your mean for your Wildcats, median for your Wildcats, your mode for your Wildcats, and then your range. And then you are going to do the same thing for the Panthers. So you're going to order their data from least to greatest, so the numbers over here on the side, from smallest to biggest, all 10 of them, even the repeats, and then you'll find the mean, median, mode, and range for the Panthers. And then once you're done with that, you are done with the project for today, and then you will move on to your missing assignments for your math class. Make sure that you do not submit your project yet, because we are not done. So once you are done with Part 2, you just exit out of the tab and go and work on your missing math assignments.